What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the watch list. I know I didn't put one out on Sunday, but that's okay. I wanted to see how this week was going to move and react to everything that's going on. So with that being said, guys, let's jump right into this watch list. Cue the intro. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. Okay guys, there's been a bunch of stuff going on around. As you guys can see, we hit all-time highs on the S&P 500 and the Dow. Congratulations to everybody with the long-term account. You guys already know I'm a big prohibitor of the long-term. If you don't have a long-term, start it now. Weekly average in, keep buying every time you get paid. You don't have to put a lot. You can start small, even if it's with Robinhood, buying partial shares. If you want to buy bigger companies, if you just want to put it in the S&P 500 ETF SPY, something I would definitely want to do, and I recommend to everybody. There's also another one that kind of follows this, which is called PEY. Actually hit all-time highs today. Congratulations to anybody that took that alert when I said I was buying more of it in chunks a couple weeks ago. With that being said, we're moving sideways. You guys can see I got two alerts down here. I'm actually selling puts right now that are down in here. I believe 372 is the one that I got. With that being said, basically this got to expire useless tomorrow, and I'm going to collect all that premium 100%. Be a nice gain for that. And there's my income for the entire week that I need. Facebook, Google, and things like that. Why these things are going down. Now, Google's a huge company. They've got a ton of ad revenue, things like that. They've got a ton of lawsuits. Same with Facebook. You guys got to understand, they silenced Trump. They didn't necessarily silence him. They took away they banned him and everything. That's going to play a huge factor into these because a lot of the country does not like this. And that's why I don't like the plays as in buying options for the put side. I would rather sell calls on this one that are a little bit further out of the money, that I have a higher odds of actually collecting that money 100%, or at least a large chunk of it, even if I had to buy some of them back at just a little bit, at a couple dollars a piece, and I collect all that premium, which is exactly profit. Now, what I'm looking for, I do think Google is going to continue to fall here. Same with Facebook. I can see it back down here into this 245 range. So if you're looking at Facebook, that's another $6 that has the fall. Google, like I said before, I see this one back down in the 1700s. I could see it breaking 1700. If it does break 1700, be ready for it to be like a falling knife. Where do you catch it at? I do not have anything invested in Google at all right now. The one play I want to talk about right now, which is an absolute hot topic today, is General Motors, about a flying car. Do you guys understand that this was great news and everything, blah, 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 blah? I'm still not buying General Motors, guys. This may be the miss of a lifetime for me. It may not be. The EV market is absolutely insanely hot, and that's why this one took off. I won't be surprised if this one goes up, hits 50, and then bounces back down and kind of consolidates again, or just has a nice sell-off, because they're trying to get into this EV game, the flying car thing. That's cool. Everybody's been predicting the future that we're going to have flying cars. That was supposed to happen in like 2012, not 2021. But with that being said, I'm still not buying calls and puts. Premiums are absolutely insane since we got all these new retail traders out here. Nothing against any of you guys if you guys are new. Premiums were a lot smaller before COVID, and now that's why I am selling a lot of premium. When I say I'm selling premium, and I want to make this very clear, for instance, SPY, as long as I'm going to sell a 370 put, as long as the stock does not fall past 370 and it stays above 370, say I sell it for 10 cents per contract, I'm going to collect $10 per contract as long as it expires tomorrow. SPY is going to expire Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I have contracts for all of those that allow me to cash in 3 times a week, allows me to create another source of income from the market. But I am looking for, Trump spoke today. He didn't put anything out there crazy. He talked about the wall a lot. The wall news is kind of boring and outdated. Didn't really say anything about the rest of it. With that being said, guys, we are going to have a new president. We've all accepted it. Thank you guys for watching. play smart here. I'm not playing premiums. I'm not buying options. If I'm going to actually play an actual play, I am playing the future /ES. And this is the E-mini. If any of you guys don't know, it literally looks identical to SPY. If you guys just realize that, it's because it's basically the same chart. It's just the future version. And it's $12.50 per tick, and it goes in 25-cent increments. So there's 4 clicks per thing, per dollar, blah, 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 blah. You guys can do the math. And that's where I've been making the majority of my income from, other than selling a bunch of options that I don't think have a chance at making. If you want to see the probability of these actually, of certain strikes going in, Thinkorswim has the option on the options chain to go in and look at these. Again, not a lot of plays right now. You need to be playing the high percentage plays. There's a lot of hype, and I don't play hype. I don't play risky moves. You guys know how I work and how I want to make sure I'm able to grow my money long term, and I'm able to secure the money that I'm working to make money for myself. So that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching this video. I hope somebody gets something out of this and understands exactly what I'm saying. I will see you guys all in the next watch list.